Workplace policies and documents explained. Explore the critical role of workplace policies and documents in network engineering. Learn how effective change management, configuration documentation, password policies, and troubleshooting guides streamline operations, enhance security, and ensure compliance in complex network systems. 1. Change management. The update blueprint. Change management is a systematic approach to handling all changes made to a network or IT system, ensuring that no update or modification disrupts services, much like a traffic plan for roadworks. 2. Configuration management documentation. The instruction manual. This documentation details all aspects of an organization's network configurations, including hardware, software, and network settings, serving as a master guide or blueprint for the network. 3. Password policies. The secret code rules. Password policies are a set of rules created to enhance security by enforcing complex and regularly changed passwords, akin to having strict criteria for lock combinations. 4. Procedures. The step-by-step guide. Procedures are detailed instructions on how to perform specific tasks within an organization, ensuring consistency and reliability, much like a recipe for a complex dish. 5. Regulations. The rules of play. Regulations are mandatory guidelines set by authorities that an organization must follow to ensure compliance, similar to laws governing how a business must operate. 6. Baseline configurations. The standard setup. Baseline configurations are the standard settings for systems and devices within a network that serve as a starting point for further customization, like a default setting on a new device. 7. Troubleshooting using network diagrams, the problem-solving maps. Network diagrams are used to visualize the connections and devices within a network, helping to pinpoint issues and facilitate problem solving, much like a map used to navigate a city's streets. 8. Policies and procedures. The rulebook and playbook. Policies are the rules that govern network use, and procedures are the methods by which these rules are implemented and enforced, together forming the playbook for network operations. 9. Physical and logical network diagrams. The blueprint and flowchart. Physical network diagrams map out the physical connections between devices, while logical diagrams illustrate how data flows through the network, showing the detailed architecture and data paths. 10. Wiring schematics. The circuit maps. Wiring schematics are detailed diagrams that show the electrical connections and circuitry within a network infrastructure, essential for installation and troubleshooting. 11. Organizational documents and policies. The company constitution. These are formal documents that outline the rules, procedures, and guidelines for how an organization's network is managed and used, like a constitution for IT infrastructure. 12. ID. Locations and port configurations. The identity tags, ID. Locations refer to the physical labeling of network ports and interfaces for identification, while port configurations involve setting up network ports with specific roles and rules, like assigning a specific gate for each airplane at an airport. 13. Labeling. The naming system. Labeling involves marking equipment, cables, and other hardware with identifiers to easily manage and troubleshoot network components. akin to labeling wires in a complex electronic device for easy identification. Network engineer training. Importance of network engineering policies and documents. Network engineering policies and documents are crucial for the secure, efficient, and systematic management of IT infrastructures. Acting as blueprints, rulebooks, and guidelines, they ensure every network change is controlled and documented, maintaining stability and security. These policies and documents are essential for standardizing operations, enhancing security through strict protocols, aiding in troubleshooting, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Essentially, they provide the structure and clarity needed for managing complex network systems, safeguarding data integrity, and facilitating smooth network operations.